the 10 most spoken languages in the world. The planet is made up of around 200 countries. There are nearly 7,000 languages spoken on this planet. The mother tongue or official language of each region is distinct. There are dozens of languages spoken in India as well as 22 official languages. Only a few languages, however, are extensively spoken around the world.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल बटन दबाइए ताकि नया नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगा.
English is the number one language with 135 crore speakers. English is the most commonly spoken languages on the planet. English is the official language of more than 60 countries throughout the world. Even if English is not official language of other countries, learning it is vital of efficient communication. It is because of that it is known as universal language. Mandarin is the second most spoken language in the world. The traditional Chinese language is Mandarin. The Portuguese word is Mandarin, source of word Mandarin. The language is spoken by 112 million peoples all over the world. Mandarin is official language of China, Taiwan and Singapore. Third most spoken language in the world is Hindi. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. The language is spoken by 60 million peoples all over the world. In India alone, are more than 52 crores people are reside. Hindi is official language not only in India but also in Pakistan, Fiji. Hindi is spoken in Bangladesh, Nepal and South Africa. Fourth most spoken language in the world is Spanish. Spanish is official language of more than 20 countries. Spanish speakers are more numerous in North America, South America, Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, Chile and Venezuela. The Spanish language is spoken by 54 million people worldwide. Fifth most spoken language in the world is Arab. The United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Libya, Somalia, Bahrain and Iraq make up the Arab world. Those countries' official languages are Arabic and English. A total of 27 crore people spoke this language. Arabic is the only language that is not written from left to right. Sixth most spoken language in the world is Bengali. Bangladesh has a Bengali speaking population of 26.8 million peoples. Bengali is spoken in various parts of India including Tripura, Assam and Jharkhand as well as West Bengal. This language is the official language of Bangladesh. It is the constitutional recognized language in India. Seventh most spoken language in the world is French. France is one of the 29 countries in the world that speak French as their official language. The number of French speakers in other countries is 26.7 million. Eighth most spoken language in the world is Russian. Russian is Russia's official language. Russian was official language of many nations in the former Soviet Union, including Ukraine, Georgia, Uzbekistan, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Despite the fact of countries separated from Soviet Union and developed their own languages, the Russian language was retained in all of them. In the world, there are 25.8 million Russian speakers. Ninth most spoken language in the world is Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language of the countries Brazilian, Angolan and Mozambique. On the other hand, spoken of Portuguese more professionally than the rest of the countries. With 25 million speakers, Portuguese is an official language of 10 countries. Russian and Portuguese speakers are roughly equal in terms of global population. 10th most spoken language in the world is Urdu. There are several similarities between Hindi and Urdu. Urdu is official language of both Pakistan and India. Urdu spoken by 23 million peoples around the world. including citizens of both countries. The language script is written from right to left, just like Arabic. The Indonesia 13.5 million, Germans 12.6 millions, Japanese 9.5 millions, Marathi speakers 9.6 millions, and Telugu speakers 6.5 millions following them. If you have liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. And if you have any question about it, please leave a note in the comment box. Thank you very much.